egg cooker offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best egg cookers from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Are you tired of the breakfast scramble? The guesswork of boiling eggs, only to have them turn out chalky, undercooked, or impossible to peel? Say goodbye to breakfast stress and hello to perfection with the Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker. This isn't just an egg cooker, it's your new kitchen MVP. With its massive 12-egg capacity, it's designed for busy families, serious meal preppers, and anyone who loves a delicious, easy meal. And it's not just for breakfast. Steam a side of healthy vegetables for dinner. Heat up dumplings for a quick lunch. You can even steam seafood. The possibilities are truly endless. The best part? The auto shut-off feature means you can set it and forget it. No more watching a pot or worrying about overcooking. It turns off automatically when everything is ready. It's fast, it's foolproof, and cleanup is a breeze. Plus, its sleek black design looks fantastic on any kitchen counter. It's the all-in-one solution for quick, healthy meals any time of day. Number 2. Introducing the Elite Gourmet Rapid Egg Cooker. This compact powerhouse is your new breakfast hero. It cooks up to 7 eggs at once, perfect for the whole family or for your weekly meal prep. The secret is in the included measuring cup. You simply add the right amount of water for soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, hit the power button, and walk away. No more timers, no more guesswork. The Elite Gourmet steams your eggs to perfection, which not only cooks them evenly, but also makes the shells slide right off. When they're ready, an alarm will sound and the unit automatically shuts off for total peace of mind. But wait, it does more than just boil. With the included poaching and omelet trays, you can whip up delicious Egg Benedict or a fluffy, personal-size omelet in minutes. It even comes with a 16-recipe booklet to get you inspired. Number 3. Introducing the Bella Rapid Electric Egg Cooker. It does so much more. Use the included trays to whip up a fluffy 2-egg omelet or create 2 beautifully poached eggs for your avocado toast or Eggs Benedict. Just add water with the included measuring cup, press one button, and walk away. Whether prepping for the week or feeding the whole family, the Bella cooker handles up to 7 eggs at once. And with its sleek black design, it looks great on any countertop. Stop guessing and start enjoying perfect eggs effortlessly. You choose the style. Using the included measuring cup, you decide if you want them soft, medium, or hard-boiled for the Bella Rapid Electric Egg Cooker. Breakfast is solved. Meal prep is simplified. From deviled eggs to protein-packed salads, it's all effortless. Get consistent, delicious results with the Bella Rapid Electric Egg Cooker and Poacher in its sleek, modern black finish. Find yours online or at major retailers today. Number 4. Introducing the Nostalgia Retro Electric Large Egg Cooker. In a beautiful, vintage-inspired aqua that brightens up any kitchen, this handy appliance takes all the guesswork out of making perfect eggs every single time. With its large 7-egg capacity, it's perfect for family breakfasts or meal prepping your protein for the entire week. But it's so much more than a hard boiler. With the included trays, you can effortlessly make 2 perfectly poached eggs for your avocado toast, a fluffy omelet for a quick lunch, or even just cook perfect egg whites. It's your all-in-one egg station. Get your essential protein cooked flawlessly in minutes, ready for salads, sandwiches, or a quick snack. No pots, no timers, no mess. Just add water, press a button, and wait for the chime. Upgrade your mornings and simplify your meals with the perfect blend of style and function. The Nostalgia Retro Electric Egg Cooker. It's breakfast made beautiful. Number 5. Introducing the Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 Electric Egg Cooker. This compact powerhouse isn't just a gadget, it's your personal breakfast chef, guaranteeing flawless eggs every single time. Flip the lid, and the base becomes a 5.25-inch non-stick skillet. Scramble a fluffy masterpiece, fry your eggs sunny side up, or whip up a quick omelet with your favorite fillings. It's a complete breakfast station in one small appliance. It's incredibly easy to use. Just add water with the included measuring cup, press the button, and wait for the alert. And clean up? The non-stick surfaces and dishwasher-safe parts make it a breeze. Stop settling for inconsistent. Upgrade your morning. Search for the Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 Electric Egg Cooker. Hamilton Beach. Perfect eggs simplified. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe at my channel.